Hello everyone, my name is Gabby Taylor. Um, One asset that I bring to this class is that I have a lot of work experience working with diverse populations. I've worked in several different settings. I currently work in the school system. I've also worked in the inpatient mental health setting, the residential treatment setting, with youth with mental health issues. I've worked in residential alternatives to detention and within the detention centers. And I've also worked with the domestic violence population as well as outpatient mental health. So I do have quite a bit of experience working with different populations in the case management setting as well as group therapy. I have worked with individuals also doing assessments. Assessments that I have done were more of a case management type of thing. So I haven't actually done psychiatric assessments yet, but I do believe that is another asset that I bring. So I do have some interviewing skills, formal and informal interviewing with clients to assess them for services and barriers that they may be experiencing that are maybe preventing them from getting into treatment, preventing them from gaining housing, things of that nature. Um, and a third asset that I think I bring is just my passion. Um, I absolutely love what I do. I currently work with youth. I work with every population that you can think of, but youth is one that I seem to really mesh with. Working in the high school, I currently oversee the truancy students that I have, and the students who are under the McKinney-Vento statute that are identified as homeless or in transition. So that includes foster care all the way down to students who may be living in a camp or doubled up with another family. So we do a lot of fun stuff with them. We do some community service projects with some of them. We do some groups after school. We have a 21st century program that offers after school help. We take them on field trips and things of that nature. So it's really, really rewarding work that we do at my high school. So that's just a little bit about me, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you.